Hello, my dear children and all the viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Farheen Miss. Myself, Farheen Sheikh. Today we will learn English lesson number 2.3 of Unit 2 from English Balbharti textbook, Let's Speak. In this lesson, we are going to observe some pictures of our community helpers and will learn more about their work. Children, community helpers are the one who provide services through their work for the betterment of our country. Children, come to page number 20 of your English Balbharti textbook. On this page, can you see there are different pictures of our community helpers. So before we start reading those pictures, please note down on the second picture, here it is written policewoman. The picture is of traffic policewoman. They generally wear white color shirt with khaki or black pant. Behind her, there is one traffic signal. So she is a traffic policewoman. Third picture is of bus conductor. Here it is written conductor. Look at the pictures and say 2-3 lines about them. First, let's observe those pictures one by one. Doctor. Traffic policewoman. Bus conductor. Farmer. Soldier. Chef. Doctor. The doctor is one who saves the life of a patient through his service. He works in a hospital or clinic. When we feel sick, we go to the doctor. He treats us and gives us medicine. Traffic policewoman. The traffic policewoman is one who controls the traffic on traffic signals. She helps people cross the road. If someone breaks the traffic rules, she stops us by whistling and makes us pay a fine. Bus conductor. The conductor works in the bus. He wears a khaki uniform. He gives bus tickets to the passengers. When the bus has to start or stop, he rings the bell. Farmer. The farmer is the main source of our food. He works on a farm. Farmers plow the field with the help of bullocks or tractors. He grows crops and takes care of them. Soldier. The soldier is a brave person. He stays on the border to protect our country from enemies. He wears a military uniform. Soldiers are the pride of a nation. Chef. The chef works in a hotel or restaurant. He wears an apron and a white hat. He cooks different and tasty food. Security guard. Security guard is a person who works hard day and night. Their duty is to be alert and keep places secure from strangers and theft. They work at the gate of schools, banks, buildings, and other important places. Firefighters. Firefighters are based at a fire station. Firefighters or firemen are people whose job is to extinguish fire. They rescue people bravely in case of fire in buildings, lifts, or at any locality. When they are fighting with the fire, they wear heavy clothing to protect them from heat. Gardener. Gardener works in the garden. He maintains a good environment of a garden. He grows plants or flowers and water them. Gardeners take good care of the garden. Tailor. The tailor is the person who stitches our clothes. He stitches clothes on a sewing machine according to our size. Tailor works in his own shop. Teacher. The teacher is one whose job is to give knowledge to the students. They teach us how to learn, read and write. Teachers makes our career bright and guides towards success. Teachers are nation builder. Driver. The driver is a person who drives different vehicles like buses, cars, auto rickshaw, tempo, etc. Drivers give pick-up and drop services to their passengers. Their job is to reach passengers safely to their place. Cleaner. Cleaners keep our surrounding neat and clean. They clean our streets and gutters and the area of public places like schools, hospitals, malls, offices, etc. They work hard to earn their livelihood. We should always respect them. Police. Police work hard day and night. Whenever there is any problem or attacks in the country, they provide safety to the public. If anyone commits a crime, they catch them and put in jail. Police always keep gun with them. They always remain available for us when we need them. Whenever we are in trouble, we call the police station. The police are brave people. Don't you feel it was amazing to know about our community helpers and their roles and responsibilities towards the society? Besides them, there are few more helpers like nurse, cobbler, mason, postman, etc. We should be thankful to them and must always respect our community workers. Now, come to page number 7 of your English Reliable Workbook, book number 2. Read the first question. What would you like to be when you grow up? Children, this you have to decide what you dream to become when you grow up. Second, observe the pictures given and tell what work they do. As seen in previous videos of our community helpers, here are the pictures of say, security guard, firefighter, gardener, tailor. Look at the pictures and write 2-3 lines about them. So copy this in your book, or if you want, you can write 2-3 lines on them on your own. Doctor, policewoman, this is traffic policewoman, bus conductor, farmer, soldier, chef. On page number 9, match the pair. Let us match. Teacher teaches. A answer is 4. Cleaner cleans. B answer is 1. Driver drives. C answer is 2. Writer writes. D answer is 3. Children, the one who writes books, articles in newspaper, etc. are called writer. Writer of a book is also known as author. So note down in your book. Let's recite some dictation words. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Traffic police woman, T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. Police, P-O-L-I-C-E, police. Woman, W-O-M-A-N. Bus conductor, B-U-S, bus. conductor, conductor, bus conductor. Farmer, farmer, farmer. Soldier, soldier, soldier. Chef, chef, chef. Security guard, security, security guard, guard. Firefighter, fire, fightter, fighter, firefighter. Gardener, gardener, gardener. Tailor, tailor, tailor. Teacher, teacher. Driver, driver. Cleaner, cleaner, cleaner. Police, police, police. Writer, writer, writer. So children, learn and practice these dictation words 3 or 5 times in your notebook. My dear children and all the viewers, I hope you understand my way of explaining this lesson. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for Miss. You will find an explanatory video on standard 2nd syllabus, the subject of English, Maths and English grammar topics starting from lesson number 1 up till now with notes of State Board Maharashtra. Guys, I want to reach to maximum kids so that in this condition of Corona, children don't miss their studies. Lots of efforts I have put in making these videos so that it reaches them and they learn something from it. Please, viewers, don't let my efforts go in vain. So please comment below your views for further videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.